With our kitchen running all day long, the grease buildup in the filters it's fairly significant. Basically, like 3 pounds of grease built up in the filters, and although they looked like they were getting clean, they obviously weren't. We were having issues with our fans. We were having issues with smoke in the restaurant. The filter exchange program was appealing because we were going to get the job done right.
We've created a filter exchange program that keeps filters clean and kitchens running smoothly. We work with restaurant staff to schedule a time that's not during business hours that we come in and exchange those dirty filters for newly clean filters. We save you time, energy, cleaning supply costs, and plus while you're on the program, you never have to buy an additional set of filters.
We got a much better pull from our hood system, way better air circulation. So for us, it's been, it's definitely a godsend to have that. Gives me the time to focus on things that I actually need to be getting done